Welcome to this video on speeding up your Shopify store with free fixes. Faster pages directly lead to higher conversions. Our goal is to cut load time by 20% to 50% without spending any money. You can implement these core fixes in just 1 to 2 hours. First, measure and audit your performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and Lighthouse for diagnostics. Record your baseline metrics, including LCP, FCP, and total blocking time, and prioritize fixing the largest recommendations first. Next, optimize your images. Use free tools like Squoosh or TinyPNG to compress them. Convert images to the WebP format for supported browsers. Finally, enable lazy loading and always set the width and height attributes. The third step is to clean up your theme and apps. Remove any unused apps and code snippets. Disable or delete app code that remains in your theme files. Consider switching to a lean theme and minify your CSS and JavaScript files. Finally, improve your loading behavior for free. Defer non-critical JavaScript and load scripts asynchronously. Use theme settings to enable browser caching and lazy sections. Reduce redirects, pre-connect to key domains, and test after every change to remeasure performance.